Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're about to unravel a fascinating tale of luxury and humility, where the iconic Rolls-Royce, a symbol of opulence and greatness, took on an unexpected role in the streets of India. This story will transport you back in time to the era of Maharajas, royalty, and a rather unique twist of fate that led these esteemed automobiles to serve a purpose far removed from their usual greatness. But before starting the video, do subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed yet and hit that bell icon to receive every video notification. Rolls-Royce, a name synonymous with luxury, craftsmanship, and automotive excellence, has long been associated with the elite, adorning the driveways of the affluent and powerful. Their sleek designs, powerful engines, and opulent interiors have made them a status symbol, a representation of wealth and success. In the pre-independence era of India, the Maharajas, the rulers of princely states, were known for their lavish lifestyles and their penchant for collecting luxury goods. Rolls-Royce automobiles were a coveted possession among these royalty, and many Maharajas owned a fleet of these prestigious vehicles. In the 1930s, a rather unusual incident occurred, involving a Maharaja and his Rolls-Royce cars. The story goes that a particular Maharaja, while visiting London, was treated with disdain by a Rolls-Royce salesman who assumed he couldn't afford such a luxurious vehicle. Offended by this treatment, the Maharaja decided to teach the company a lesson. Upon returning to India, the Maharaja purchased several Rolls-Royce cars and ordered them to be used for street cleaning. This audacious move sent shockwaves through the automotive world and among the Indian elite. The once revered symbols of luxury were now reduced to the mundane task of sweeping streets. The Maharaja's decision was met with a mix of surprise, amusement, and even criticism. Some saw it as a waste of luxury vehicles, while others admired his audacity and his willingness to challenge the status quo. Regardless of the reactions, the incident left an indelible mark on the perception of Rolls-Royce in India. The tale of the Rolls-Royce street sweepers is a reminder that even the most prized possessions can take on unexpected roles. It's a story of hubris, humility, and the power of a well-placed lesson. While the Maharaja's decision was perhaps an extreme measure, it undeniably left an enduring mark on the history of automobiles and the perception of luxury. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the streets of India and the corridors of automotive history. Until next time, remember that even the most prestigious objects can find themselves in the most unexpected places.